European-style hinges are a great way to go when you're mounting cabinet doors. They're concealed for a sleek, clean look, and they offer easy adjustment for perfect door alignment. With Rockler's exclusive line of jigget solutions, they're easy to install too, and the only power tool you need is a handheld drill. On the doors, the Jigget Deluxe hinge drilling system lets you quickly bore precise, perfectly aligned holes for the hinge cups. The jig configures to match your hinge specifications, and the clamp bases slip easily on the edge of your door, elevating the door enough to accommodate Bench Cookie Plus work grippers for no-slip stability. Positioning is as simple as lining up the center marks on the jig with your center lines on the door and tightening down. The spring-loaded drilling guide comes with a stop collar that lets you set the exact drilling depth. The drill guide fits snugly onto the steel template on the clamp base. Then you simply drill, and you end up with precisely positioned, perfectly vertical hinge cup holes of just the right depth. Here's another great thing about the Jigget Deluxe system. If you're mounting hinges in multiple doors of the same size, you only have to set it up once. When you're done with the doors, you need to drill pilot holes in the cabinet for the hinge mounting plates. Rockler offers jiggets to make this operation easy and accurate too. The jigs have a center line that you line up with your marks on the cabinet. A built-in fence guarantees alignment and proper setback. Then you just use the Rockler self-centering bit specified for the jig to drill the holes. All that's left to do is mount the hinge arms to the door and the mounting plates to the cabinet and clip the hinges together. Before you know it, installation is done and you look like a pro. Check out Rockler's Jigget hinge installation jigs for yourself.
Milescraft is proud to introduce you to their 90-degree pocket clamp. The Milescraft pocket clamp allows you to quickly and easily make projects with 90-degree pocket hole joints. Some features of the Milescraft pocket clamp include a rubber overmolded handle. The handle provides you comfort during use, and unlike some clamps, these overmolded handles do not fall off. The thumb screw of the adjustable capacity knob allows you to make quick and easy adjustments of the capacity of the clamp's jaw. Now this does require the use of both hands to correctly set up your clamp for its optimal performance. The metal swivel pad on the face of the clamp helps to ensure that there is no marring done on your workpiece. The face on the swivel pad also helps to distribute the clamping force evenly. The pin on the clamp is designed to fit any pocket hole, regardless of what brand pocket hole jig you use to create it. The reach of the Milescraft pocket clamp is up to 4 inches, and it allows you to clamp materials that are up to 3 5/8 of an inch thick. The Milescraft pocket clamp has up to 300 pounds of clamping force, and it weighs in just under 2 pounds. With the Milescraft pocket clamp adjusted for your project, just slip the pin of the clamp into a pocket hole, close the clamp ensuring that both pieces are held tightly together, and drive a pocket screw into an adjacent pocket hole securing both pieces together. The Milescraft pocket clamp is ideal for when you need a helping hand when assembling larger pieces at 90-degree angles. Projects include but are not limited to bookcases, boxes, cabinets, and furniture construction.
Are you looking for a saw that'll deliver precision and accuracy in hard-to-cut sheet materials? Then you're ready for the Makita SP6000J 6.5-inch plunge circular saw. A saw that's ideal for ripping and cross-cutting sheet materials and engineered to provide you precise, splinter-free cuts. The SP6000J is built with superior features designed to deliver best-in-class accuracy, versatility, and performance. The saw features a precision cutting system, which includes dual bevel supports to keep the saw squared to the material, and is engineered to keep the line of cut in exact position regardless of the angle of the bevel. The precision cutting system ensures precise cuts and saves setup time. The SP6000J has a bevel cutting capacity of 1 to 48 degrees with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Adding to the precision cutting capabilities is the quick depth stop feature. To achieve a precise cut, set the depth to 1/16 of an inch by activating the Quick Depth Stop button. Well, this allows you to score the surface across the material. Then release the Quick Depth Stop setting and make the final cut. The SP6000J can make a close-to-the-wall cut of only 11/16 of an inch for expanding applications.
My name is Zachary Knapp. I'm a general contractor. Our company is Holland & Knapp Construction. Today I was using the new Carvex jigsaw. It comes with the multitude of base plates, which are really useful for when you need a base plate that won't mar the surface. Another thing is it has a new angle base that lets you cut miters. The jigsaw cuts very true and square. I practiced cutting some rafters. For a stained grade finished porch, everything exposed and all the joints need to be really tight. Before, had I had a standard jigsaw and I needed to cut a bird's mouth, I would take a skill saw first and then finish it up with a jigsaw. I was found that with the Carvex, it cuts true and square enough that I could do that without using the skill saw and just use one tool for the job. I think that Festool makes tools only for professionals. If you care about the work that you do, the quality of the work that you do, and the process in which you get from point A to point B on a job, then I think Festool's the right tool for you.
These are the Bosch JS572 jigsaws. Fine carpenters, furniture builders, cabinet makers, kitchen installers, and so many other tradesmen will appreciate these top-of-the-line models that are truly the gold standard in jigsaw precision. The JS572 comes in both a top handle and barrel grip option, with the barrel grip boasting the smallest diameter on the market. With a 7.2 amp rating and variable speed, these jigsaws can be dialed up or down depending on the application and material at hand. The Bosch Precision Control 2 double roller system provides unsurpassed cutting accuracy. The rollers adjust themselves to different blade thicknesses, while the second roller guide creates less friction on the blade for increased durability. The toolless blade system allows for an easy switch without touching a hot blade, and an LED light enhances visibility. A die-cast foot with toolless bevel adjustment makes bevel cutting easy, while constant response circuitry maintains the desired speed for consistent performance.
Any serious woodworker is sure to love the 20-inch variable speed scroll saw. It has a user-friendly configuration with easily accessible controls. reduced vibration design, and variable speed performance. It features a double parallel link arm design for accurate cuts. The arm moves from the back to the front, shortening the distance the arm travels for smoother, quieter operation. It also keeps the blade perpendicular to the work, reducing over or undercutting. And the arm lifts so the blade can be easily threaded through the material for inside cuts. It also has a cast iron table that bevels 45 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right for versatility and support. The on-off switch, electronic variable speed, flexible dust blower, and blade tensioning lever are all located on the front upper arm for easy accessibility.